Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hoping that you are doing good. Let us solve some aptitude questions. Let's get started. The first question is, in an examination, a student scores 9 marks for every correct answer and loses 4 marks for every wrong answer. If she attempts in all 130 questions and secures 533 marks, what is the number of questions attempted correctly? The meaning of the question is, in an examination there are 130 questions and a student has scored 533 marks. How many questions have been attempted correctly? That is the meaning of the question. Let us try to solve this. Let us consider all the questions have been marked correctly. Then what happens? It becomes 130 into 9, that is 1170. We will solve this question in allegations and mixtures method. 130 into 9 means 1170. And let us consider all the questions have went wrong. That is 130 into 4, that equal to 520. What 520? This is minus 520 because these are negative marks, minus 520. So 170 minus 520. And the number of marks that she has secured is 533 marks. So 1170 minus 533 equal to 637, and minus 520 minus 533 equal to 1053. With 13 table, 13 8s 104, 13 1s 13, and 13 4s 52, 13 9s 117. Therefore 81 questions are correct. I hope you didn't understand this question. I'll explain once again. Let us consider all the questions have been marked correctly. She will be scoring 1170. Let us consider all the marks have been wrong, attempted wrong. Therefore she scores minus 520 because there is negative marks, minus 520. And the number of marks she has actually scored is 533. By doing allegations and mixtures, we get 1053 is to 637, and this part is the correct answers part and this part is the wrong answers part. Therefore 81 questions are attempted correctly. Option B is the right answer. There is another method, and which is simpler than allegations and mixtures. Let us consider number of correct questions are x. So 9, so the score will be 9x, 9 into x. And again, number of questions attempted wrong are 130 minus x, because 130 is the total questions and x is the right questions. 130 total number of questions minus correct questions equal to wrong questions into minus 4, that is minus of 130 minus x into 4, that equals to 533. Correct questions minus wrong questions equal to total score. That is the fundamental here. 9x minus 520 plus 4x equal to 533, and x equal to 1053 by 13. Therefore number of questions correct questions are 81. Option B is the right answer. I hope you understood this question. Let's move on to the second question. A watch dealer sells watches for 2400 per watch. Once he gave two successive discounts of 25% and 30% respectively to a customer. However, he could recover the sales tax on net sale price from the customer at 11% of the net price. What was his approximate loss percentage? Meaning of the question is, a merchant sells watches. Each watch selling price is 2400 rupees. He gave 25% discount, first discount, and again gave second discount, that is 30%. After that he added 11% as tax to the net price. Net price means remaining price, not the actual price. He gave 11% of tax for the net price. What is the total loss percentage? Let us consider the selling price as 100%. Now he gave 25% of discount. So 100 minus 25% equal to 75% is the selling price. Again he gave 30% of discount. 30% of not on 100%, 30% of 75%. 10% of 75% means 7.5. 20% is 15%. 30% means 21.5%. So 75% minus 21.5% equal to 53.5%. Now to this 53.5%, he added 11% of sales tax. 10% of 53.5 means 5.35. Again 1% means 0.535. On adding all this, we get 59.385% as the selling price. Now what is the loss percentage? 100 minus 59.385 equal to approximately equal to 41%. What is the nearest answer to 41%? Option C, 42% is the correct answer. Hope you understood this question. Let's move on to the third one. A and B are two stations 824 kilometers apart. A train starts from station A at 7 a.m. and travels towards B at 84 kmph. Another train starts from station B at 8 a.m. and travels towards A at 64 km per hour. At what time do they meet? Meaning of this question: there is a distance of 824 kilometers and two stations A and station B. One train starts at 7 a.m. at 84 kmph. Another train at station B starts at 8 a.m. for 64 kmph. Now, at what time do they meet? Let us consider at station A the train has started. After 1 hour, that means from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., after 1 hour, it has covered 84 kilometers. That means 824 minus 84 equal to 740 kilometers. Now both are at 8 a.m. Both are at 8 a.m. Now what happened? Again they are started. The train at station B started. At what time do they meet? Means time. We are being asked a time. Time equal to distance by speed. Distance is what? 740 kilometers. Speed means 84 plus 64 because they are in opposite directions. When the trains are moving at opposite directions, we have to add the speed. That is 84 plus 64 equal to 148. 740 by 148 equal to 5 hours. 5 hours plus 8 a.m. that equal to 1 p.m. 13 hours 1 p.m. Option B is the correct question. Correct answer. Let's move on to the fourth question. A contractor undertook a project of constructing a wall in 30 days. He employs 28 people for the same. However, after 16 days, he finds that only 40% work has been completed. How many more men should he employ to complete the work in time? This is the for this problem we'll follow the m1 d1 by w1 equal to m2 d2 by w2 formula. In the left hand side we'll write the completed work. In the right hand side we write remaining work. Completed work means 28 m1 is 28 men into d1 16 days by 40% has been completed work 1. And the remaining is 28 plus x. X means additional men to be employed into 14 days by 60. On simplification we get x equal to 20 men. That is 20 more men are required to complete the work in time. Option E is the correct solution. The last and final question, fifth question. The surface areas of cube A and cube B are 384 square meters and 864 square meters respectively. What is the difference between volume of cube A and cube B? The formula for surface area of cube is 6a square. For cube A, the surface area is 6a square. That is 6a square equal to 384, A equal to 8. 6b square. 6b square surface area of cube B is 6b square equal to 864, B equal to 12. Now volume means A cube. Volume of cube B is B cube. 8 into 8 into 8, 64 into 8 here, and 12 into 12 into 12, 144 into 12 here. Don't multiply completely. Don't do it completely. Just go with the units place. 2 4 is 8 option. Here units place is 8. 8 4 is 32. 2 is the units place. 8 minus 2 6. That means we should have an answer which is ending with 6. There are 3 options have ending with 6. So we'll go with last 2 digits. 12 4 is 48. Again 12 4 is 48. 40 plus 4 52. Here ending with 28. Next 8 4 is 32. 8 6 is 48 plus 1 12. 28 minus 12. 8 minus 2 6. 12 2 minus 1 1. The last 2 digits are 16. So only one option is there, that is option C. Hope you understood all the questions and solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.